What up guys, on this channel we talk about crypto mining, crypto airdrops and other investments based on crypto, but this is not a financial advice, it's just to find a way to make money together online. So on this video I'll be giving you two updates. The first one is the free BNB site, which I'll be talking about first, and the second one will be the BNB20, which I talked about the other time. So this is the update on how to make withdrawals with Shiba coin. So watch to the end to understand all this. So for the first update, this BNB site uses only faucet pay as withdrawal method. So I'll be showing you how to bring up your BNB wallet address from your faucet pay onto this account, onto this site. So before we go into that, at least you can see now, get started and it's very easy. No need to invest, get profit every day, fast pay out. That's what they told us anyway. So let's just check out the deposit and also the withdrawal. So we have the deposit, and the recent deposit now is just 4 hours ago. So and you can see it's 0.1 BNB, which is not bad. So let's see also the withdrawal. So for the withdrawal now, we have the 1 minute, the 2 minutes ago, which means they are withdrawing, and even we can see a minimum of 0 in 6 times and 56. That's very small BNB. So definitely there's no minimum for BNB withdrawal in this site. So to start up on this site, I'll be taking you guys to my BNB faucet account in order to get my deposit address. So if you don't have the faucet pay account yet, I'll be dropping the link in the description box below. You can just go over there and sign up for a new faucet pay account. So on my faucet pay account, this is the overview. So the overview, I just have $1.26 and 14 TRX on the faucet pay account now. So now to get my deposit address, what I'll be doing now is I'll be going over to the wallet. So on the wallet, I'll be coming straight up to the BNB coin. So getting there now, I'll just click on the deposit. So I've just gotten my deposit address. So I'll copy this. This is what I'll be pasting over to the site. So once I paste it, I just start mining. It's that easy, nothing serious about the site. So now I've just signed up to the site. You can see everything looking straight. You have the dashboard, the history, deposit, withdrawal, referral tools and all those stuffs. So you can see everything now. So for the daily profit, I have 0 in 5 places and 21 BNB daily. So it has started reading like that on my major account. So if you want to refer friends, this is the referral link over here, and you can see the current value is not showing yet. So the speed power is 15 mAh. So now this is where I'll be showing you the real truth about the site. So now if you come over here, you'll be seeing what I will get in a day, what I will get in 2 days, what I will get in 6 days and 5 days and all those stuffs. So with the free plan, to get 0.001 BNB, which is not even much, I need to use like 3 months straight to get that. That is serious. So now if you're paying for this is another thing again. So if you're even buying this mAh per second, 500 is the minimum power to buy. So if you're buying 500, you're buying it at the rate of 0.005. And to even get this back, this will take you more than 2 months. In fact, 3 months you get 0.0063 BNB, which is not something funny at all. This is a long-term investment, and even to me it's not worth it. It's not worth it. If you see the 1000 now, if you're buying the 1000 mAh per second, you're buying it at the rate of 0.01, and to even get this back, this is like 3 months, 0.12. This is not something to invest in at all. But once it's free, you can just probably just start it and just leave it there to run. Once it's after 1 month, any small thing you get, you can just come and withdraw it. But I'm not really advising you to deposit on the site, because this is too long for you to even make your capital back. So I'm not really advising. So in order not to waste your time, let me just go back into the major update of the day. So for this BNB20 site, I've talked about it, and the full video link will be in the description box below. And you can see my airdrop here right now, which is 100, and I've gotten 15 BNB20 back. So for you to make withdrawal on the site, you will notice that when you go over to the wallet and you go over to the withdrawal, the only open withdrawal now, it's the Shiba coin. And now the Shiba coin, it's showing a 0 because we don't have any Shiba investment, as you can see. So what we'll be doing right now to get our Shiba investment is pretty simple. All you do now is just go over to the staking. So on the staking right now, see what I'm saying? So the minimum to stake is 30, but I have 15. So you will see now on the reward, this is exactly what we would be doing. On the reward now, we change the reward to Shiba instead of the BNB20. So once we click on the Shiba coin, any reward coming now will be the Shiba coin. And as you can see now, if I'm imputing like 100 because minimum is 30, but let me just use 100. So I'll be getting 12,755 Shiba coin per day. So you get that point now, right? So, and we're staking for like 15 days, as you can see. So 15 days now, times this, we're getting enough Shiba coins. You get what I mean now? So now you can withdraw the Shiba coin straight into your wallet. You understand? Because the BNB20 is not open for withdrawal yet, but you can restake it and withdraw it in Shiba coins. So that's the update for today. So don't miss it. If you have not watch the video, just click on the link in the description box below. Watch the full video on how to claim the free BNB20 coin. If you learn anything new in the video, click on the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, join the Telegram channel for fast updates. See you in my next video. Stay blessed.